Welcome traders and investors to a quick tutorial on MyCharts, a feature that allows you to save, organize, and manage fully customized chart setups on Barchart. Unlike standard charts, MyCharts allows you to save multiple versions of the same symbol, each with different indicators, drawings, time frames, or strategies. For example, you may want to save several charts with completely different setups, or multiple future spread charts using the same base symbol. Plus, long-term and short-term analysis layouts saved separately. This gives traders a much more flexible workflow for technical analysis. Let's start by going to My Charts from the Tools menu. If this is your first time using the feature, click New to get started, and let's create a new chart setup. We'll pull up a symbol, give this chart a short description, and create a chart group we want to save it into. Then, we can begin customizing the chart with indicators, drawings, trend lines, time frames, custom templates, and chart settings. This is where MyCharts becomes powerful. Instead of rebuilding the same analysis every day, your full setup is saved and ready to revisit anytime. Each saved chart includes an Actions menu. From here, you can rename the chart, copy the chart, or delete it. Copy chart is especially useful because you can duplicate an existing setup and make adjustments without starting from scratch. The Actions menus also include additional tools connected to the symbol. You can open for more data, add the symbol to a watch list, set alerts, share the chart, or save the chart as an image. This helps turn MyCharts into a complete workflow for monitoring trade ideas and analysis. One of the biggest advantages of MyCharts is that you can save multiple chart setups for the exact same symbol. For example, a short-term momentum setup, a swing trade setup, or a Bollinger Band setup, all using the same underlying asset. Now, let's organize our saved charts. Click Organize to manage MyCharts and groups. Here, you can create new groups, rename groups, move charts between groups, reorder chart groups, or remove charts completely. Creating a new chart group is especially useful for separating swing trades, future spreads, sector setups, or different strategies. Once you've built multiple saved charts, you can also use Flipcharts directly inside MyCharts. This allows you to quickly rotate through saved setups without manually reopening each chart. It's one of the fastest ways to monitor multiple technical setups throughout the trading day. You can also save charts directly from the interactive charts. For example, if we open up a chart from any quote page and customize the chart setup, we can instantly save it into MyCharts using the My Charts button. This makes it easy to build chart libraries while doing research across the site. MyCharts is also available inside Dashboard, allowing you to access saved chart setups alongside watch lists, portfolios, and other analysis tools. So your saved workflows stay connected across the Barchart platform. MyCharts helps traders save time, organize analysis, and build repeatable chart workflows without constantly rebuilding setups from scratch. If you want to learn more about interactive charts and advanced charting tools, head over to the Learn tab and explore the video archives and site education for additional tutorials and guides to help you navigate the market on Barchart.com. And before you go, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe, and we'll see you for the next one.